Yo, what is this helicopter doing? He's like getting lower and lower. He's been doing this like all friggin' morning. What the f, yo? Is the person in there asleep? Alright, I don't have time for this. I'm going to work. What is up? What is up? What is up? These are troublemakers. These are people I work with. They crazy. You wanna be on YouTube? I'll put you on YouTube.
Are you famous though? It doesn't matter.
I got 150 subscribers.
Okay, hey, what's up, YouTube?
Oh, YouTube. No, 144. I'm sorry. Trying to get there, but like all the money I make, I'm just gonna give away.
Really?
Yeah, I probably keep like 1%. No, I'm just gonna help people.
Can we tell you how to spell my last name so we get right out the
You don't care about being on YouTube?
Huh? How old are you? 22.
Dude, I don't look like I'm sitting there shoving food in my face. I don't want to be on YouTube.
Oh. Yo, those my coworkers. One, she don't want to be on YouTube. Yeah. But I'll catch y'all later. It's another coworker.
Yeah. Washing dishes like a slave.
Yeah. Name
Slave that I have.
Yeah.
A dog trainer.
Yeah. She's dog trainer.
She's dog trainer.
I wish.
She's a worse dog trainer than me.
What the fuck? Dude, I have to get Dexter Mike on here with the F-bombs. Surplus. Surplus doesn't yell at me anymore. He likes me now. I love you, Cole. Cole. Look at this motherfucker. Hurting people. Shit. Tim's upset. He's sad. Look at this little poop eater. Bye, Thor. With this motherfucker here.
We're going to pull up beside him and turn on our sirens.
Sirens?
Oh, he wants to speed up now, huh?
What the fuck? Fucking burnt the fucking grass. This motherfucker here.
That Lexus revs.
We at McDonald's though.
Alright, somebody's V6 Mustang about to get smoked because he wanted some smoke. So you want smoke? You got it, bro.
I'm just experiencing shit. What's he gonna do?
I don't think he's gonna do it.
The niggas are shooting.
Your son. Look at this. Hold up. I don't know if you can see it. And it's split. Focus. So I'm on my iPhone. The phone. But yo, damn. Yo, Apple wants you to pay like $20 for this. But I can go to Five Below and get this same iPhone charger for $5, and it'll last me just as long, if not longer. And they want you to pay $20 for this. I'm not mad or anything, or even frustrated. I'm just shocked. It sounds like it. I am, but I'm not. But I'm just tired. Yo, this is crazy. Come on, man. Why is it not focusing? Short bus. But yeah, this is crazy. My iPod one is like that too. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. That's crazy, dude. This didn't even last a year. This lasted like a couple of months, and $20 for that. But I'm about to make my little milkshake, and I'm gonna put this somewhere in the vlog. Maybe at the beginning, maybe in the middle. I don't know. But bye.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.